kids, how many continents are there?
7.
Let's travel! Around the world, pack your bags, boys and girls. 7 continents to explore, so much wonder, so much more. Hot and cold, wet and dry, different foods to taste and try. Around the world, come take a spin, let the global fun begin. Go, let continent. Go, the continent. North America, South America too, Europe, Africa, how do you do? Asia's big and full of surprise, Australia's sunny skies. Don't forget Antarctica, snowy winter swirl around you. 7 continents, standing tall, different lands for one and all. Clap your hands from east to west, every culture brings its best. Different languages we speak, that's what makes our planet unique. Around the world, every flag unfurled. Mountains high and oceans wide, deserts stretch and rivers glide. Hot and cold, rain and sun, every place is special fun. Around the world, come take a spin, let the global fun begin. Let the fun begin. Let begin. In Italy, pasta on your plate. In Japan, sushi tastes great. Tacos crunch in Mexico. In India, spices glow. Rainforest green and full of life. Icy poles are cold and white. Savannah's warm with grasses tall. Seasons change in spring and fall. Some places snow, some places rain. Some feel sunshine all year long. Drop people heat near the equator line. 4 cool seasons right on time.
Is every place the same?
No!
Is that a good thing?
Yes! Different homes and different clothes, different ways the music flows.
One big earth we all can share, learning how to love and care.
Around the world, every boy and every girl. Different colors, different ways, one big earth we celebrate. From north to south and